I woke up to some tragic and breaking Supreme news. They're not gonna release the deck this week. Why did I even get out of bed, man? I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold. Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest. And today we are live copping the Supreme website. It's Brick Week, but we're still gonna get something.
What I hear, you couldn't hit water if you fell out of a fucking boat.
That's right, this week I'm going to try to target maybe those denim jeans from the Nate Lowman Collaboration. And of course, like I said yesterday, that green jersey is still talking to me. I'm gonna try to hit that on an XXL if I can. So it's jeans, jersey, or bust this week for me.
Come get a taste.
Alright, I'm running out of time here. Didn't even have enough to iron this shirt. But before I jump over there, please stay tuned till the end of this video and I will let you guys know how you can get entered in to win a $250 Supreme care package. Now let's get over to the computer, man. Come on!
Still fast as fuck, boy.
So this morning they already got rid of the skateboard's gone, the pins are gone. So yeah, I really don't even know what I'm gonna actually even try to do today. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything even worth going for. I'm just staring at these Burberry items going, why didn't I just try to get one of those instead of try for that box logo for 100 weeks and not get anything?
Like and subscribe, guys.
Oh, look who showed up.
Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna start
Have
this.
something good.
Thank you, I'll try. I'm gonna start this task now. I'm trying for the Lowman denim jeans in 36. I had to set it up, the bot didn't have anything going. I'm gonna do the other one on the app. So I'm going to try to get the jersey, I guess. Okay, online shop update. I'm gonna try to get the jersey on this. Eagle hockey jersey. XXL. Check it out. Okay, let's see if we can do this. So we went for jersey right away. I think I messed up the other thing, but let's see if we can get this. Did XXL? Let's see if we can get it. Boom! Okay, cool. That's it. That's literally all I'm gonna do today. We got it. I don't know what I did on Turo, so let me see over here. Finding product. Yeah, let's see if the jeans are still available actually. But double knees. Maybe a pair of 36s. Sold out. Okay, so those sold out immediately. That they were botted pretty quickly. And let's see what's here. Oh, the sweaters. Oh, that might be something interesting too. Sweaters are all still in. I guess that's about all I wanted to do. This sucker was a really cool one, so I'm interested to see how that'll do. It's the first time they made an XXL jersey, so it's kind of the reason that I grabbed that one. These shirts were kind of cool, honestly. They're just kind of expensive. XXLs are sitting in these. The Nate Lowman ones are still here. All the pants went out. That's what I assumed. The only item to sell out, really. Oh man, and these ones are still sitting too. Shoot. Yeah, the watermelon went out pretty quickly. I think there's gonna be better items to go after, to be fair, down the road. Oh, and the keychain. Dang it, I forgot to grab a keychain, but it's like I don't really care. I don't need the keychain. Let's check out some of the success in the Fauntleroy's Finest Discord today. I went ahead and grabbed these for personal actually this morning. So here we go, Supreme. Oh man, that's a really good cop, honestly. The blue 36, so they did make 38, so the 38 in the denim to me was probably the item to go after this week. Your boy right here with the XXL green jersey, and then Mr. Highland here just straight goes bananas. He is an XL green, he's got an XXL green, and an XXL the watermelon, that sold out immediately as well. He got a second XL green, and then he got an XXL Royal. I need to give him his own title, like he is on another level.
I am McLovin.
I've never seen someone buy so many things from the Supreme's website week after week. That is a legitimate OG gangster. Alright, so it was kind of an even slower week than it would have been. They eliminated the deck, they took out that pin set. Basically just those jeans are really the only like big items that I saw this week. I'm happy at least that I could grab something that I was wanting, so at least you know I can still cop as long as it's a brick week. Well, you know what, guys? Give me a brick week and I will show you success. I copped that XXL jersey, and I don't know, maybe you guys want to check out the Supreme community sellout times, huh? Maybe see what sold out the fastest? Your boy did it. So, Lewis, you can go eat it. Everybody, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to go to Instagram. I want you to follow Lewis. If you guys could just go to his latest post and just write, "Eat it" from Lord Fauntleroy, I'd appreciate that a whole lot. Super low-key week. Really the only things that sold out were the jerseys and the Lowman jeans. If you did get the Lowman items, I think you're going to like that over time. But hopefully you guys listened, because I did say they were going to be hold items if you were going to go after them. They'll do fine in the future, just don't expect them to do anything anytime soon.
I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
And for anyone who needs to get entered into the 750 subscriber giveaway, you can do it on this video right here.
Whole food shopping, and she work out every day. You know them news popping, stomach going apple cider vinegar. She do something to me.